Hello guys, this project I am sharing is a stopwatch project which I tried to give a user friendly interface which is incorporating a dynamic animation. It is simple but still it will give a good user experience. So the use of this application is cooking in a, for example, a cooking scenario, or else we can take a sports activity scenario. So now let's get to the coding under the project. So this is the project. So when we'll click on the start, it will make a sound, and when we'll pause it, the timer will pause for that time. Then we can reset it using a reset button. But when we click on the start button, the animation starts, and when we click on the pause button, the animation will stop. Okay. So coming to the coding part, this is a very simple project. So for the animation, I have I have used this part in which I have used a background image which I used for the animation, and I've given some CSS styling which is going to help for that same animation, which will look into it. The next thing is the timer, which is shown inside the page. Now coming to the function part, so everything is commented here. So we'll start from the start. So the DOM content load is used by my page is using a sound for the start as well as the reset timer. So in so that audio file to be loaded, because if we'll load a 5 minute file, it will take some time to load. So if I'll put that file, so it is going to take some time to load. So if this line is not given in this thing, like if I'll remove this line, so the whole function will take place but the sound will be delayed. So that's why I've used here. So DOM content, the document should be loaded, then only it will start, then only like the functions will be properly done. Now coming to the main function part, so we are giving here milliseconds, seconds, minutes and hours. So the main function is starting from the displaying of the timer. So this is the main mathematical operation which is taking place. Milliseconds plus equals to 10. Like the interval, if it goes to 10, it will update the timing. It's a very simple mathematical operation. Here we have used a ternary operator. So once the hours is less than 10, so it is adding the hours to it. This is setting the timer. The timer is being updated here, and the main part, like the main specific thing here, is the animation. So I have used a function for resuming the function, for pausing the animation, for stopping the animation. Pause and stop is different because the stop animation is going to, when click on the start, it will again restart the animation, whereas in the pause we'll have to, like the animation is going to start where it has stopped. Okay. So the in the set interval function which is already given, it will update the timer by 10 when the value is given to the 10.